Hi there, my name is Jamal Khan. I'm a senior tax partner at Churchill Tax. Today I'm talking about the ongoing saga of HMRC versus less tax for landlords and the scheme, the hybrid LLP scheme they've been promoting along with SKS Baileys. It's in the news, everybody knows about it. The recent letters that I have a number of clients that have come to me from SKS Bailey and Less Tax for Landlords, asking for advice on what to do. There's a new batch of letters that are being sent out by HMRC to the users of the scheme. So that this is the purpose of the webinar, just to give people an update on where things are with HMRC and SKS Bailey and Less Tax for Landlords and how to go forward. So I'll share my slides. Right, okay, here we are. So this is a little bit about us in terms of what we do. We're a tax advisory firm. We don't do any tax schemes. Just to be absolutely clear, we have no connection with any form of tax schemes and we hate them. I have been talking about these hybrid LLPs and I'm talking against hybrid LLPs since 2016. So for those of people who've been following me for the last 10, 12 years, 15 years, you will know that in 2016 I did a webinar. I did a webinar about hybrid LLPs because a lot of my clients were telling me, Jamal, oh, there's a new scheme available. You can do this. You can do miracles with this new scheme. I said, no, it's illegal. Stay away from it. In 2018, I did another webinar asking, it's all on YouTube, by the way, asking people to stay away from this crap. Stay away from it. It's nonsense. It's wrong. In 2020, I did another one. And I think 2021 I did 21 or 22 I did another one, and then this news started coming about how HMR Spotlight 63, and so people who had been following me for a number of years, they wrote to me and said, Jamal, you were so right. Why didn't we listen to you? So we hate these schemes and we stay away from them because ultimately we'll get caught. So this is promoted by SKS Bailey and Less Tax for Landlords. HMRC have covered it in Spotlight 63. They've been writing to scheme users, and there's a lot of legal action underway against Less Tax for Landlords. So HMRC recently sent out these forms AAG6. So in the last 2-3 weeks, I've received numerous calls from the users of the scheme asking me, Jamal, what do we do now? This form's come through. So I'll talk about this today. So just kind of, this is how the scheme was, this tax avoidance scheme was promoted by Less Tax for Landlords and SKS Bailey. This is what I'm hearing from HMRC. So if you're a landlord with multiple properties, you form an LLP, you have a limited company as a partner of the LLP, you allocate profits to the limited company and pay corporation tax at 19%. Okay? A limited company can also claim finance costs as a member of the LLP. And the amazing thing is that everybody else pays tax at the basic rate. I mean, I'll put some smileys there so people can see how ridiculous these points were. You get full reduction for mortgage interest, which doesn't work. Base cost of the assets is uplifted at time the LLP is set up. Rubbish. That can never happen. The law is very clear. LLPs are see-through. And there's no inheritance tax, as structure qualifies for business property relief. For the unwary and for the kind of the lay people, sounds so good. It's like this is the solution to all their prayers, right? But it should, for some people, it should have sounded too good to be true. But a lot of people that I know, I mean, I had a number of calls, and people are calling me, Jamal, help us out, please get us out of this thing that we're stuck in. So if you want to kind of read more, here's how the legislation applies to all these particular points where I put smileys, and how this was just a non-thought through tax avoidance, failed tax avoidance scheme. Yeah, if you have been using the scheme, yeah, HMRC confirmed that the scheme doesn't work. You will need to pay some extra tax, but contact me and get in contact with me. I will tell you what to do, how to do, and how to get out of this position, that situation that you're in. If you receive this form AAG6, you need to complete the form. You need to get the SKS Bailey or list tax for landlords for the scheme reference. And you need to also get out of the scheme as soon as possible. Contact me and I will kind of help you through this. So this is what we do. How can we help? We help users of failed tax avoidance schemes put their affairs right with HMRC, people who have not disclosed their income properly, UK-based foreign offshore income. We can help you make disclosures, and we can help you reach settlements with HMRC. If you're already in discussions with HMRC, but you still even HMRC recommend on their website when you read these forms that they suggest that you seek specialist advice. Okay. This is me. This is my background. And my email and contact numbers there. If you have any questions, get in touch and I would love to help you out. Thank you.